Hello and welcome. Today I'll be replacing seals on the gearbox, yeah, on the drive shafts. She's leaking mad, yeah, so I need two seals here. They for the drive shafts, 45 by 60 by 8, that's the size, yeah, two of them. And for the back shaft another seal is 16 by 24 by 6. So this one is for the 5-cylinder engine for the 5-speed gearbox, them seals, yeah. So first thing, remove the big bolt, yeah, and remove drive shafts, yeah, and we'll be keep going then. So wheel is removed, so now we have to remove 6 them bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, yeah. Take them off the drive shaft and we'll be keep going up further then. So and here it is, our seal here. He's tough. 45 60 by 8. That's the way it looks like. Now 6 screws into the drive shaft. Don't forget this bolt, yeah, wheel, and that's it. One side is done. So same thing on the other side, yes. 120 Newton meters. That's it. Done.